welcome to my channel. My name is Tara and I'm the owner and creator at Atelier Tara Bath, Body and Home. I just wanted to create this quick introduction video to let you know what kind of content you can expect to see on my channel. I'll show you how I make my bath bombs and room sprays and candles and all of my products. I'll also be taking you along on adventures with me when I go shop for supplies, and if I'm doing an event, I'll take you there as well. So if you want to learn how to make your own soap and candles, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell below so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.